Hello YouTube, I'm Tyler and welcome to Fischler Moto. This is going to be the first of many to come how-to basic maintenance videos, and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your motorbike chain. The bike I'm using today is my 2001 ZX6R J2. Does your motorcycle chain look like this? If so, it needs tightening and adjusting. You want the bike to be on flat, level, even ground. If your bike has a centre stand, use that to lift up the back wheel. If your bike is like my Ninja and don't have one, use a paddock stand instead. To adjust the chain, we start off by undoing the axle nut so that it's loose, and undoing the lock nut so that it's also loose. Just turn that in half a turn, giving yourself a bit of room to start with. And I do that for both sides. Once everything's undone, I push the wheel forward, making sure that these plates are up against the adjustment bolts, nice and firm, and just take a quick measurement of both sides. So that's 12mm. And the other side's 12mm. That way you know when you start, you're starting equal, and you won't be adjusting it on the wall. Using the adjuster bolts here, I adjust the chain equally both sides, quarter turn at a time. While doing that, I keep an eye on the chain, and you should see it lift and the slack take up. As you can see, as I'm gluing it, I'm just checking the chain to make sure it's not getting too tight. You want the chain to have a bit of bounce, but not be too tight. To me, that's a little bit on the tight side, so I'm just going to back it off ever so slightly. There you go. You want a couple of centimetres basically. So now you've got it adjusted. You want to make sure it's sitting equal. You can either go by the markings on this block and the grooves in here, which on that it's the third one, and on that side it says it's the third one, but also to make sure you can always measure it. .26mm, so the outside needs to come back in there. Once the chain's done up equally and it's not too tight, do up the locking bolts. Use two 12mm, put one on the adjuster and hold it while you nip up the locking bolt.
with another 12 of them. Once you've done that, do up your locking axle nut.
And there you have it, a really simple, easy way to adjust your motorbike chain. Now hopefully you can do it yourself at home and save yourself on some garage bills. If you like this video, please give me a massive thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button and help me grow the channel. There will be more how-to basic maintenance videos coming soon. For now, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.